Johto Johnny's the name. Pokemon is the game. Hey, Johto Elite. Hope you're all having a great day. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this content. And hit that notification bell so you're always notified when the next Johto Johnny video is uploaded. Today we have another mystery power box, and I'm going to show you the giveaway for July. Here we go. I think it's an awesome giveaway. I'm giving out 5 Funko Pops, Charmander, Squirtle, Eevee, Pikachu, and none other than Bulbasaur. Johto Johnny, how do I win the giveaway? Alright, well, I want to give 5 winners for July. 5 winners. Going to be Squirtle. One person going to win a Squirtle. Charmander, Eevee, Pikachu, Bulbasaur. You can hashtag all of them. Just hashtag their names. You need to be subscribed to the channel and an active member of the Johto Elite. So don't just comment once. Try, hopefully you're watching the videos, but I want you to be more, we want more communication. So make sure you, okay, all right, Johto Johnny wants me to comment. All right, let me comment. So just be active, that's all. And be subscribed, because every month, as I really felt I stepped this giveaway up. Last month was an awesome giveaway. As always, congratulations to the winners. But this one I'm pretty excited for as well. What do we have today? Mystery Power Box. What is a Mystery Power Box, Johto Johnny? Mystery Power Box is something you can pretty much find at Walmart exclusively. Comes with 5 booster packs. 2 mystery items. 1 coin, a code card per box. But vintage packs are 1 in 5 seeded. So right now we are 4 for 13 with mystery power boxes of getting a vintage pack. Let's get into it. Try my best to not give anything away to yous. All right, what's going on here? Oh, all the packs. Bear with me, Johto Elite. Mega Camera Up EX Premium Collection. The villain is the holographic. Okay, pack number 1 is a base set Sun and Moon. These boxes really are like hitting a lotto, though. Like, either you're gonna get it or you're not gonna get it, and just hope you get some good pulls out of the packs. Energy. I have not seen anyone who has pulled a Neo Discovery pack. Maybe it's out there, but I haven't seen it. Poison Barb, Grubbin, Spearow, Alolan Grimer, Rowlet, Drowsy hanging on the beach, nice. Alolan Persian and Hariyama, the fighting type. Alright, so Sun and Moon base. Sword and Shield base. Alright. It's the code. Energy. Aurora Energy. Dubwool. Quillfish. Clobbopus. Cottony. Choodle. Rhyhorn, Rookidee, Munna, and Thievul. Cosmic Eclipse. We all know what we could get in this. Got a chance for Blastoise. Got a chance for Charizard. Some amazing character cards. Energy. Draw Energy. Cosmome. Clay. Pikachu. Teddy Ursa. Nosepass. Litleo. Flabebe. Tepig, oh, sleeping. And Seismitoad. Let's see. Unified Minds. That chance for the Mew and Mewtwo. Rainbow. If you don't like a gamble, everyone, then I'd suggest you don't buy these. But if you do and you want that chance, many people have gotten it. There's a very happy Lapras with Misty hanging out. Karate Belt. Grimsley. Fungus. Honedge. Magnemite. Fletchling. Onyx. Bug Catcher. And Beheem? No. Don't know that one. Cosmic Eclipse again. Every code solid green. Again, Cosmic Eclipse, that doesn't always matter. You could get a character card. Energy. Great Catcher. Trigonium Z. Dusclops. Helioptile. Cosmog. Slugma. Whalmer. 3 of them, actually. Pawniard. Seismitoad is a reverse rare. And a Sylveon. Very nice. Non-hollow. That was a dud box. Oh, we got a different pin here. Oh, look at that. That's a special pin. San Francisco 2016 Pikachu. Cool. Nice. Adds to the pin collection. And Charizard coin. Nope, but different. Awesome. Very cool. And I'll show you the pulls. We'll do the recap. Sylveon, Seismitoad, Beheem, Seismitoad, Thievul, and Hariyama. Pulls were rough, everybody, but it's always a great day opening Pokemon cards. The packs. Cosmic Eclipse, Unified Minds, Cosmic Eclipse, Sword and Shield, and Sun and Moon. Let's drop those. Well, put those over here. Again, maybe that'll come. If not, we will take any of the ones they show on here. It'd be amazing if they didn't show a base set and they gave you base set. But, oh well, it happens. Johto Johnny's the name. Pokemon is the game. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you do subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so you're always notified when a new video is up from Johto Johnny. And again, please enter that giveaway. Just remember, you have to be active and subscribed for hashtag Squirtle, Eevee, Charmander, Bulbasaur, and Pikachu. Just put hashtag in front of them, and you will be entered into the giveaway for July. You can only win one. That's why we want to do 5 winners. If you made it this far, thank you, and have a great day.